Best drama application out there today, and we'll be taking a look and pretty much showing guys how to use it. It's crazy, guys. You're gonna want to watch this one. Stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. However, I cannot record some parts of the application, so only can record a few parts. But for the home screen here, we have quite a lot of short films or series, guys. It's very, very interesting and it's nice. I'm not gonna lie, these series are nice. So at the top here, you may see all the series, as I can see here, or I can scroll across and tap on popular, and you can see the trending series here. They're very, very short, but they're very interesting. Also, you have the novel option. You can see here, you have different novel options here. You have the popular ones, and you can see the views over here. So the anime section now is, I'm not gonna lie, it's like a stop motion type of anime. I don't know how to explain, but I cannot tap on it because we'll stop the recording. But as you can see here, there's quite a lot of anime that you can watch in this, and it's very nice. These movies are great. Our short films are very great. So we can always give it a try, guys. So all I have to do is just tap on it and you will see the episode option. You can tap on that and pretty much see all the episodes they have. You can also download the series if you want to watch it later. So yeah. And the my list option here, you tap on this, you pretty much will see your history or the movies you have watched or the anime short films that you have watched will show in this section. So in the profile section here, you also see your history on the top. You can see all or everything that you have watched on the application. And you may see a wallet with the coins. You may not have any coins, but you pretty much will need coins to unlock episodes. So if you do need coins or you find yourself needing coins, you can always go in the profile section here, then the wallet, and then tap on top up here, and it pretty much can see the prices of the coins. And if pretty much, I think it's $30 per episode, but it can change over time as now I'm speaking. But these are prices for the coins, and some episodes may require you to get coins or to purchase with coin on, and they're also limited for a period after. So as purchase with coins, you're not going to be having that episode forever, but you'll be able to download it, so you can download it for future use. So the download section is here. This is where I pretty much go to find all the episodes. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you may have the home section, which you can, it's pretty much like a TikTok. You can scroll and scroll, and you can see different short films, and one you're interested in, you can pretty much go on the site and check out their episodes, and you can start from the very, very first episode and start watching it. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, comment below. If I love to help you guys, see you guys in the next one.